everybody, welcome back to the Busy Kids Studio. My name is Sahar, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to sculpt Mike Wazowski from Monsters Inc. movie with polymer clay. You're gonna need polymer clay in white, black, light brown, green, and blue, some parchment paper, and some wire. So let's get started. First, I turn the parchment paper into a ball. This is gonna be the base of our sculpture. The first color we are using is the green clay. When working with polymer clay, you need to warm it up and condition it first. If you break it down to smaller pieces, it would be easier to condition it. You're gonna have to use your green clay to cover up the parchment paper ball that we made, and we also have to save some green clay for Mike's hands and legs. We start with covering our parchment paper ball with clay. It's super easy, just turn your clay into a ball and then make it flat with your hand or a rolling pin and turn it into a pancake. Keep going until your parchment paper ball is fully covered in green clay. And try to make it nice and smooth. It takes some time, but you gotta be patient. You can use your fingertips or polymer clay tools to smooth up any cracks or bumps that you see. When you're done making the head, grab your wire and cut 4 2.5 inches long pieces out of it. With the leftover green clay, make a gummy worm shape. Straighten the wire as much as you can and put it in the gummy worm. And again, smooth the seam out. Well, these two are the legs. Now let's go for the hands. Don't forget to stick a little bit of the wire out of the clay. See, I didn't cover it all the way up. Hands are also ready. Now I'm making 2 teardrop shapes for the toes. When your teardrop shapes are ready, just flatten them and make 2 little cuts that make the toes. Also, smooth out the corners and make them nice. Now for his palms and fingers, make 2 little balls and then stick them on his hand. Mike has 4 fingers, so we are gonna have to do 3 little cuts. Now it's time to make his toenails. Grab a little bit of white clay, make a little warp, and then cut it into 6 small pieces. Turn each piece into a very tiny teardrop shape and put it on his toes. Now it's time to build his eye. Take a little bit of your white clay and turn it into a ball. And then flatten it into a tiny pancake. Now make a smaller one with the blue clay and put it on. And next, you're gonna make a tiny one with the black clay. And the smallest one is gonna be white that goes on top of the black part. Grab the leftover of the green clay and make a little worm that makes his upper eyelid. Grab a little bit of the black clay and turn it into a bean shape. Make it flat and then pinch both ends to make his mouth. Now with the white clay, I'm gonna make his teeth. You can make them one by one or just like me, use one of the clay tools. This is how I made it. Now with a little bit of green clay, I make two little worms and put them on for his lips. Next, I'm gonna take a little bit of the brown clay and turn them into two little teardrop shape. And then I press them onto his head to make two little horns. Now attach his toes to his leg. And then attach the hands and the legs to his body, and don't forget to smooth out the seam. That's all, you guys. Now I'm gonna bake my sculpture in the oven and then it's ready to go. Well done, guys. I hope you had fun making this little monster. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share your sculpture photos with me on social media. See you in my next video. Bye!